Yeah, everybody is
You're
doing
gonna
this.
get arrested if you do not stop.
I'm already gonna get arrested.
You're gonna get arrested. She's a representative of the aircraft. They don't want you flying on their plane today, okay? So you're gonna have to get off
After
the
they made
aircraft.
us wait and wait and wait.
Yeah, that's the way it is, but right now. So I'm gonna need you to grab your bag and just
And I
step
did
off
not
the
do
aircraft.
anything actually.
We'll talk about it outside.
Disruptive besides speak my mind.
Okay.
I know it. I live in America and that's what fucking America's about.
No one's gonna put their hands on you unless
all
you
right,
have to.
yeah, you
Grab
won't.
your bag and
yeah,
just step off
you
the
won't.
Okay, but I need you to get up.
No,
Okay.
you need me to get up? You may need me to get up, but you know what I feel my need to do as a person?
You ready?
So I'm gonna say what I have meant to say.
Right.
No, to everybody. She's
You're
doing
gonna
this.
get arrested if you do not
I'm
stop.
already gonna get arrested.
You're gonna get them
Like,
off.
seriously, why? Can you just tell me that? Like, I'm actually asking you as a
At this
person.
point,
But
go.
you're not free to respect.
Rough.
That's not cool.
Okay.
I didn't do anything wrong. I was
Let's
just
go. This
being
way. This way.
fine.
We didn't have time to be
Why
playing.
are you doing that? I should not be arrested right now, man. Speak my mind.
Okay.
I know it. I live in America and that's what fucking America's about.
Calm.